Are you struggling with rosacea and looking for natural remedies? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of home ingredients and lifestyle changes, your potential allies against rosacea. But first, let's clarify what rosacea really is. A chronic skin condition that can cause redness and visible blood vessels, often confused with acne or other skin problems. But worry not, as we're about to empower you with knowledge and practical solutions. Stay tuned to discover how to manage your rosacea with simple, natural solutions. Before diving into the remedies, let's understand what rosacea is. Rosacea is a common skin condition that primarily affects the face, causing redness and visible blood vessels. It often begins with a tendency to blush or flush more easily than others, and over time, this redness tends to become ruddier and more persistent. Its symptoms can vary greatly from person to person, but they generally include redness, swollen red bumps, eye problems, and enlarged nose. It's important to note that not everyone with rosacea will experience all of these symptoms. The condition can also fluctuate between periods of flare-ups and remission. The exact cause of rosacea is unknown, but it's believed to be a combination of hereditary and environmental factors. Triggers can include hot drinks, spicy foods, alcohol, temperature extremes, sunlight or wind, emotions, exercise, and certain cosmetics. Now, why consider natural remedies? Well, they can be a great way to complement traditional treatments, and they often have fewer side effects. However, it's crucial that you consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. They can provide you with a proper diagnosis and guide you on the best course of action based on your individual circumstances. Remember, rosacea is a chronic condition that requires long-term management. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you and your skin. Now that we understand rosacea, let's explore some natural remedies that can help manage its symptoms. One of the first steps towards managing rosacea is through making some dietary changes. When it comes to rosacea, the adage, "you are what you eat," rings particularly true. Our diet can have a significant impact on our skin, and rosacea is no exception. There are certain foods that can trigger flare-ups, while others can help to soothe and calm the skin. Let's start with foods to avoid. Spicy foods, hot drinks, and alcohol are known culprits for triggering rosacea. These foods cause blood vessels to expand, which can lead to redness and flushing. So it might be a good idea to cut down on the hot sauce and replace coffee or tea with cooler alternatives. Foods high in histamines can also aggravate rosacea. Histamines are naturally occurring substances that can cause an allergic reaction, leading to inflammation and redness. Foods rich in histamines include aged cheeses, fermented foods, smoked fish, and certain types of wine. Now, let's move on to the good stuff. Foods that can help manage rosacea are generally those with anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are great for reducing inflammation. Flax seeds and walnuts are excellent plant-based sources of omega-3. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables are also beneficial. These include berries, cherries, tomatoes, bell peppers, and leafy greens. They help to fight off free radicals that can damage the skin and exacerbate rosacea symptoms. Probiotic foods can also do wonders for your skin. These include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. They help to balance your gut microbiome, which is linked to skin health. Lastly, don't forget to hydrate. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated and flushes out toxins. Remember though, everyone is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about trial and error and finding what works best for you. And finally, don't expect overnight results. Changing your diet is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time to see the effects on your skin. Remember, dietary changes are a long-term strategy, not a quick fix. In addition to dietary changes, there are several home remedies that can help manage rosacea symptoms. Let's start with chamomile tea, a soothing and calming agent. To use chamomile tea, steep a few tea bags in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Once the tea has cooled, soak a clean cloth in the concoction and apply it to your face. Be sure to avoid the eye area. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and inflammation. But remember, everyone's skin is different. If you're allergic to plants in the daisy family, you might want to skip this remedy. Next up is oatmeal. This breakfast staple is not just food for your body, but also food for your skin. Oatmeal contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can soothe your skin and provide relief from itching. To reap these benefits, grind up half a cup of oatmeal and mix it with enough water to form a paste. Apply this paste to your face and let it sit for about 20 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. Last but certainly not least, we have green tea. Green tea is packed full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It's as beneficial for your skin as it is for your general health. You can make a green tea mask by steeping 2 tea bags in hot water. Once the tea has cooled, soak a clean cloth in it and apply it to your face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing. This can help reduce redness and irritation. However, be cautious if you have sensitive skin, as green tea can be a bit drying. Remember, these remedies are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They may not work for everyone, and it's always best to do a patch test on your skin before full application. It's also important to note that these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, medical treatments. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. With patience and consistency, these home remedies can help soothe your skin. Along with diet and home remedies, lifestyle modifications can play a crucial role in managing rosacea. It's often the small changes we make in our day-to-day routines that can yield the biggest results. Let's dive into some of these modifications. First and foremost, stress management. We all know that stress is a part of life, but did you know that it can trigger rosacea flare-ups? Stress can cause inflammation in the body, which can lead to a rosacea outbreak. So, how can we manage stress? Well, there are several ways. Practicing mindfulness, engaging in regular exercise, and ensuring adequate sleep are just a few examples. Each of these methods helps to reduce stress levels and, in turn, can help to manage rosacea symptoms. Next up, hydration. Keeping your body well hydrated is essential, not just for your overall health, but also for your skin. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out toxins from the body, which can reduce inflammation and help keep rosacea at bay. Aim to drink around 8 glasses of water a day. And remember, if you're active or it's a hot day, you may need more. Lastly, let's discuss sun protection. Exposure to the sun can cause rosacea to flare up, so protecting your skin is crucial. This doesn't just mean applying sunscreen, although that's certainly important. It also means wearing protective clothing, like hats and sunglasses, and seeking shade whenever possible. Sun protection is a simple but effective measure in managing rosacea. In addition to these, remember to avoid harsh skincare products and opt for gentle, natural ones instead. Also, try to maintain a consistent skincare routine. This will help your skin to stay balanced and healthy. Embracing these lifestyle changes can help you manage your rosacea and improve your overall health. It's all about creating a lifestyle that supports your well-being, and in turn, your skin will thank you. To wrap up, managing rosacea naturally involves a blend of dietary changes, home remedies, and lifestyle modifications. Each of these elements has a crucial role to play in not only treating the symptoms of this condition, but also in creating an overall healthier and more balanced lifestyle. So let's take a quick jog down memory lane and revisit the key points we've covered today. We began by understanding rosacea, a common skin condition characterized by redness, visible blood vessels, and often small red, pus-filled bumps. We highlighted the fact that while it's a chronic condition, there are ways to manage and minimize its symptoms. Our journey then led us to the dining table, where we explored the potential impact of our diet on rosacea. We discussed the importance of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet and the need to limit foods that may trigger flare-ups. This includes spicy foods, alcohol, and hot drinks. We also touched on the value of keeping a food diary to identify personal triggers. Next, we turned the spotlight on home remedies for rosacea. We delved into the world of natural ingredients like green tea, oatmeal, and aloe vera, which can be used to soothe and calm inflamed skin. We also emphasized the importance of a gentle skincare routine that respects the skin's natural barrier. From there, we moved into the realm of lifestyle modifications. We talked about managing stress, getting adequate sleep, protecting your skin from the sun and avoiding harsh weather conditions. Each of these factors plays a significant role in managing rosacea. But it's important to remember that patience is key when it comes to these natural remedies and lifestyle changes. It may take a while to see improvements, but consistency is crucial. It's all about finding what works best for you and sticking to it. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment.